Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials: internet, ID, and your phone. Open the Helb app and choose Register if new, or log in if you already have credentials. Enter your ID number, phone, and valid email, then complete SMS verification. Once done, set a secure password and enable biometrics if available to speed future access. This step ensures your account links to official records and prevents delays later when applying or checking balances. Next, navigate to Applications and pick the appropriate product. Make sure you choose the current intake to avoid rejection. Carefully fill personal, academic, and bank details. Use exact names and account numbers as on official documents. Upload clear scans or photos of admission letters, ID, and fee invoices. Compress images if they exceed limits. Once all fields show green review entries, then tap Submit. This precision reduces manual checks and speeds approval. To finish, monitor your dashboard for status updates, pending, approved, or disbursed, and follow any requested actions immediately. If asked for extra documents, upload them within 48 hours to avoid delays. Make sure your bank details are correct before disbursement. Incorrect numbers cause returns. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and restart. If problems persist, contact Helb support and provide your application ID and screenshots. This targeted troubleshooting saves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.